Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to another wig styling video. Today I'm styling a wig for my friend who is cosplaying Professor Oak from Pokemon. So this video is a little late. I styled it literally the day before the con we wore it to. And those videos have to go out first, so sorry about that. Anyway, this wig is actually extremely simple to style and you don't really have to do exactly what I do, where I give it a few actual spikes. You can make it more realistic and just have hair swoop to the side if you really want, but I'll leave that decision up to you. So the wig that I'm using is called the Hermes from Epic Cosplay, and there'll be a link for this wig in the bottom of the description. To start, I use hairspray and a comb to swoop the hair over to one side. When you're wearing it, this will be going off to your right side, but when looking at it while you're styling it, it'll be off to the left. I also use a hair dryer to help set the wig to get it to stay in place. Heat is what helps wigs stay in the style that you put them in. Also, this wig does not have a part in it, but instead it flows forward, so you can part it pretty much anywhere you want. Basically, I just keep repeating this until I get the desired look. For the rest of the hair, which is the part that'll be on your left side, as well as the right side behind the spikes, and the back, I slicked it back using hairspray and the comb to comb it back, and then the hair dryer to set it. The left side should be all behind your ear, and you can leave a little bit of hair in the front to cut down as like the top of the sideburns area or whatever, but I forgot to do this. If you also forget to do this, then just remember that if you have to shave your face or whatever to get that section so it doesn't show underneath. The only real cutting that I do is either shortening the lower area of the spiked side, it just gives it a little more dimension, as well as cutting the stray long pieces because that happens from the factory sometimes, and leveling out some of the spikes. However, one thing that you will want to do is take a section of the bangs, and I use a clip to separate it from the rest, because Oak has two short spikes that are pointing kind of downwards on his forehead, and this way I can use this little chunk to make those. So I'm going to want this to not get styled with the rest of the wig. But once the rest of the wig is styled, I can cut this section really short and make the spikes out of it. So for the rest of this video, I guess you can just watch me do the spiking part. But other than that, that's everything.